Coffee enthusiasts know that the secret to a perfect cup lies not just in the quality of the beans, but in how the coffee is brewed. If you're looking for a coffee maker that offers simplicity, elegance, and exceptional performance, this Brew to a T BTaT pour-over coffee maker set should be at the top of your list. This manual pour-over coffee maker is designed for those who enjoy the art of brewing coffee by hand and appreciate the deep flavors it brings out. Whether you're an experienced barista or just a home brewer, this set is perfect for crafting the perfect cup. Let's dive into what makes this product a must-have for any coffee lover. Key features of the BTaT pour-over coffee maker set. 1. Durable double-wall glass design. One of the standout features of the BTaT pour-over coffee maker is its double-wall borosilicate glass design. Not only does this add a layer of heat resistance to the coffee maker, but it also ensures that your coffee stays warmer for longer. The 16-oz capacity allows you to brew up to 4 cups of coffee in one go, making it perfect for solo drinkers or small gatherings. The glass is durable, dishwasher safe, and both BPA and lead-free, giving you peace of mind knowing that your coffee isn't being contaminated by harmful chemicals. 2. Permanent stainless steel filter. Say goodbye to constantly buying paper filters. The BTaT pour-over set comes with a permanent, rust-resistant stainless steel double-layer mesh filter. This filter is designed to be eco-friendly and cost-effective while still delivering a clean and smooth cup of coffee. The stainless steel mesh ensures that only the rich flavors of your coffee grounds pass through, leaving behind any unwanted sediment or bitterness. This not only makes your coffee-making process more sustainable, but also saves you money in the long run. 3. Elegant bamboo base. The BTaT pour-over coffee maker set isn't just functional, it's also aesthetically pleasing. The set comes with a beautiful bamboo base that not only serves as a stylish accent to your kitchen, but also helps to keep your coffee maker organized. The bamboo base prevents coffee stains from forming on your counters and provides a neat space to store the coffee maker and filter when not in use. This adds a touch of sophistication to your coffee routine, making the BTaT pour-over coffee maker a statement piece in any kitchen. 4. Easy-to-use brewing process. Brewing coffee with the BTaT pour-over coffee maker is a simple and enjoyable experience. Just add your coarsely ground coffee to the stainless steel filter, pour a small amount of hot water over the grounds in a circular motion, and watch as the coffee slowly drips into the glass carafe. The pour-over method allows for greater control over the brewing process, giving you the flexibility to adjust the strength and flavor of your coffee. Within minutes, you'll have a perfect, aromatic cup of coffee. 5. Heat-resistant and dishwasher safe. Not only does the borosilicate glass construction offer durability, but it also provides heat resistance. This ensures that the carafe remains cool to the touch while your coffee stays piping hot inside. Additionally, the entire set is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. You can focus on enjoying your coffee without worrying about tedious maintenance. Why the BTaT pour-over coffee maker set is worth the investment. If you're still on the fence about whether or not to purchase the BTaT pour-over coffee maker, here are a few reasons why this set stands out from the competition. Eco-friendly. With the reusable stainless steel filter, you won't need to waste money on paper filters or contribute to unnecessary waste. It's a greener way to enjoy your coffee. Rich flavor extraction. The pour-over method is known for extracting deep, rich flavors from coffee beans. The double-layer mesh filter ensures that you get the full essence of your beans with every brew. Compact and elegant design. The set's sleek glass design with a bamboo base is perfect for small kitchens, office spaces, or even as a portable coffee solution for travel. Durable and safe. Made from BPA-free, lead-free borosilicate glass, this coffee maker is designed to last and to ensure that you are brewing with the safest materials. Cost-effective. Not only do you save on paper filters, but the durability of the materials used means you won't have to replace this coffee maker anytime soon. Whether you're just getting started with pour-over coffee or you're an experienced brewer, the BTaT pour-over coffee maker set is a fantastic choice for creating flavorful, rich coffee in minutes. This set is also perfect for those who are eco-conscious, as the stainless steel filter eliminates the need for disposable paper filters, reducing waste. And if you appreciate stylish modern kitchen accessories, the elegant bamboo base and glass carafe make this coffee maker both functional and beautiful. Conclusion: elevate your coffee brewing game with the BTaT pour-over coffee maker. For anyone who values great coffee and an enjoyable brewing experience, the BTaT BTaT pour-over coffee maker set is a top-tier choice. The combination of its double-wall borosilicate glass, stainless steel filter, and bamboo base makes it not just a coffee maker but a statement piece in any kitchen. It's durable, easy to use, and designed to bring out the best flavors from your coffee beans, making each cup a delight. If you're looking to take your coffee brewing to the next level, this pour-over coffee maker is worth every penny. It's eco-friendly, cost-effective, and delivers rich, smooth coffee with every brew. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your daily coffee routine. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.